Welcome to Solid State Devices Module 1, Day 6. Today we'll explore carrier transport and focus on the concept of diffusion. We know that an electric field causes charge carriers to drift. But how do charge carriers move without an electric field? This movement is known as diffusion. Thermal energy causes random motion in charge carriers. These carriers constantly collide with impurities and lattice atoms. Diffusion is the movement of particles from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration, as nature always seeks balance. The diffusion current density, represented by J, is derived for electrons and holes. D represents the diffusion coefficient, a key parameter in this process. Comparing drift and diffusion current, the driving force for drift is the electric field, while for diffusion, it is the concentration gradient. Mobility and the diffusion coefficient are the key parameters, respectively. Total current density requires both drift and diffusion components. These equations combine both effects for electrons and holes. The Einstein relation connects the diffusion coefficient and mobility. Temperature is the link between these two key parameters. The continuity equation accounts for all particles, considering inflow, outflow, generation, and recombination. Change in carrier concentration is calculated using these factors. The mathematical form of the continuity equation tracks current over space and time for both electrons and holes, incorporating generation and recombination rates. Generation involves heat or light, creating electron-hole pairs. Recombination is the process where electrons and holes annihilate each other. Carrier lifetime, denoted by tau, is the average time a carrier survives before recombination, limiting its survival time. Diffusion length, L, limits the travel distance of carriers. It represents the specific distance carriers diffuse before they recombine. Thermal energy leads to diffusion, and an electric field leads to drift. The Einstein relation connects these paths, all culminating in the total current described by the continuity equation. To summarize, diffusion moves carriers down concentration gradients. Total current requires both drift and diffusion, linked by the Einstein relation. The continuity equation tracks all flow, generation, and recombination.